Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, the keyboard and its functions of computer. So children, bring your book and open page number 36, the keyboard and its functions. So, keyboard. We have learnt about this part of computer, no? Keyboard has keys. Keyboard has keys like this. You are getting, no? This is keyboard. Keyboard has keys. How many keys does keyboard have? Keyboard have 104 keys. We all know this very well. Keyboard have 104 keys, and it is a very important part of the computer, because with the help of keyboard only we are able to type, as there are numbers in keyboard, there are alphabets in keyboard. So with the help of the keyboard only we are able to type in our computer. So keyboard has 104 keys, and in this chapter we are going to read about keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. So this is a picture of keyboard given, and you all have drawn in the copy. Okay. So number 1, alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z on them, but they are not given in order. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. So what it is written? It is written that alphabet keys have the letters from A to Z on them. So how many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets. So in keyboard 26 alphabets are present on it, and we use alphabet to type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. So children, where is the alphabet key? You are getting a Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Alphabet keys are given in 3 rows. This is row na. So alphabet keys are present in 3 rows, but it is not present in a order. Order means like this A, B, C, D, E, F, but we are getting from this that it is not present in order. It is present like this: Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Okay. So alphabet keys are 26 in numbers, and they are present on our keyboard. We use alphabet keys to type letters, word, sentences like this. And if you want to type it, how you will type? You will, for example, I want to type my name, Bidisha, Bidisha. Clear? Like this we will type. But this alphabet keys are not present in the correct order. Now come to number 2, number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. They are 10 in numbers, that is from 0 to 9. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. by using these keys. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. Okay, so now we will discuss the number keys. What it is saying that number keys are present above the alphabet keys. This all are alphabet keys, no? And we are getting number keys here, which is present in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So from 0 to 9, alphabet keys are present in our keyboard, and they are present in order. So in keyboard, here is also numbers key, and here is also number key on the right of the keyboard, which is called numeric keypad. What we call that? Numeric keypad. Numeric means number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So two type of keys we have understand. alphabet keys which is present in 26 number, because there are 26 alphabet. So why we use alphabet keys? We use alphabet keys to type the words, letters and sentences. Understand? Number keys are also present in our keyboard. There are 10 in numbers. Okay, how many? There are 10 in numbers. So like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If we want to type 10, we will write 1 and 0. And number keys is used to type age, roll number, house number, like this. Clear? So there are two places where number keys are present. One above the alphabet keys and one right side of the keyboard. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now come to 3 special keys. These keys have different symbols on them, like there are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Let us learn about it. Special key means the keys which is used for typing the symbols. Like you are getting know, in this key 1 is also written and this is exclamation mark. 2 is also written and this is @ 3 is also written hash. 4 $. 5 what is this percentage. 6 this. 7 ampersand. 8 asterisk. So these all are special keys. What is this? This all are special keys. We say special keys to them also, like this, no? You are getting? These all are also special keys which is present in the form of symbols. Understand? So there are many special keys in our keyboard, like space bar. This is space bar, now the longest key of the keyboard. The space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text. What is the use of space bar? Space bar is used to give spaces between the text. Clear? This is also known as special key. Now come to page number 38. Caps lock. This is caps lock. Okay. What is the use of caps lock? The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Okay. If you want to write your name in capital letters, and if you want to type, then you have to first press this one. And when you will press this one, then a light will, I'm pressing this, okay, and see there is one light, no, this one, second light, it means caps lock is active. Now if you will type anything, it will be typed in capital letter. Understand? Now if you will press this again, the light will gone, no, second light, it means caps lock is off. And now if you type anything, it will be in small letters. Clear? Now come to this enter key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has 2 enter key. Now what is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to come to the next line, like this. This is your book. First line is written this one. Now you have typed this line in your computer and now you want to come down. What you will press? You will press enter key. Clear? Understand, no? Now next is arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys that helps to move the cursor on the screen. So there are how many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. Okay. This is up arrow key. It is used to move to up in the screen. This is down arrow key. नीचे आते हैं इससे. This is left and this is right. Clear? How many arrow keys are there? 4. Up, down, left and right. Okay. So what we have learned till now? We have learned about alphabet keys, which is present in 26 number. We have learned about number keys. Here is also number keys, and in the right of the keyboard there is also a number keys. We have learned about special keys like symbols. This all are special keys. This all are special keys. This is what? Longest key of the keyboard, space bar, which is used to give space between the line. This is caps lock. Caps lock help to type something in capital letters. Enter. Enter help us to come down in the screen. Arrow key is used to, there are 4 arrow keys, up, down, left and right. Understand? Now next is backspace. This is backspace. If you want to delete something, you use backspace key. When you want to delete the letters typed on the left of the cursor, we use backspace key. And the delete key erases the right side of the cursor. The purpose of backspace and delete is same. Okay, but what is the difference? I will make you understand. Now look on the screen. Look on the screen. You are getting this screen, no? And there is one black blinking line you are getting. This is cursor. What is this? This is cursor. Blinking line is called cursor. Now I want to type my name in capital letter. So what I will press? I will press caps lock. When I press the caps lock, it is coming green. Okay, you're getting? Now I'm typing my name. You're getting? B. Very small. Let me make it big first, then you will get to know. One minute, children. Okay, I'm writing my name. Bidisha. Okay, okay. I'm writing my name. Okay. B. You're getting it is in capital letter. D-I-S-H-A. Why it is writing capital? Because we have pressed caps lock. Now I want to write Vidisha in small letters. Okay. I want to come down. What I will press? Enter. What I will press? Enter. Here is also enter. Here is also enter. We can use any of the enters. Okay. So I am pressing enter, children. See, where is the cursor? I am writing Vidisha in small. I want to write Vidisha in small. So what I have to do? I have to press again the caps lock, because caps lock is active now. And when caps lock is active, it means it will type anything in capital letter. But I want the letters to be small. So I will switch off the caps lock. No light is blinking, so I am writing Vidisha. You're getting it small. Understand? Now I want to write Smriti. Vidisha Smriti. My name is Vidisha Smriti. No, I want to write Vidisha Smriti. What I will do? I have to press the space bar. This is space bar. What happened? There is little bit space, so I am typing Smriti. Getting? I want to come down. Understand? I want to write 25. From here also we can write 25, and from here also we can write 25. Understand? I have written some name like Ansh, but I have written the spelling of Ansh wrong. I want to delete H. Delete means hatana. I want to remove H, last H. What I will do? My cursor is there. I will use backspace. This is backspace. See, H is deleted. Okay. Now I have written. I want to delete. I want to delete MI. What I will? I want to delete MI. And where is my cursor? After H. So I will use delete. Is it clear? Again I am making you understand. Ansh. I have written Ankita. I have written Ankita. I want to delete M. Okay. So what I will use? Backspace, because cursor is here and M is here, so this is left. Okay, ये left में है. To delete from left we use backspace. So what I will do? I will go to M, then I will press M, Ankita. Now if I want to delete K, what I will use? My cursor is there, I will use delete. See, so backspace deletes the letters on the left and erase the letter on the right. Both work in the same way. The work of both is to delete. Okay, so we have read about different keys of the keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, spacebar, enter, arrow key, 4 arrow keys are there, and which key? Backspace and delete. I hope it is understandable. If you find any type of difficulty in understanding, you can contact me, children. Okay, thank you and have a very nice day.